Installing the Cormac Ceiling Fan by Arranmore Lighting Fans. Cormac is designed to fit your style with multiple finishes, 3 or 5 blade configurations, and an optional light kit. Plus, blade spans of 52, 60, or 72 inches to suit any room. With its compact, flush-mount design, Cormac is ideal for rooms with lower ceiling heights, such as 9-foot and 8-foot ceilings. Required tools: electrical tape, Phillips screwdriver, and a stepladder. For proper installation, make sure the fan is mounted in an indoor space or in a covered outdoor area that is damp rated. The ceiling must be level with no slope. The outlet box or mounting structure must be able to support at least 35 pounds of fan weight. You'll need a standard toggle wall switch. Note that dimmer switches are not compatible. Turn off circuit breakers and the wall switch to the fan supply line leads. Remove the outlet box screws and washers if applicable. Pass the supply wires through the sensor hole in the mounting plate. Insert and securely tighten the removed screws and washers if applicable. Clip the receiver to the center of the mounting plate using the receiver holder. Carefully lift the fan motor assembly up to the mounting plate and use the shorter safety cable to hang the fan onto the mounting plate hook. Locate the safety cable loop and secure it to the built-in structure independent of the outlet box. If it is not accessible from the outside, slide the safety cable through an outlet box opening and use an access panel or annex to secure the safety cable with the safety cable screw, lock washer, and flat washer. Tighten the safety cable loop, being sure to leave some slack in the cable. Connect the 2-pin connector and the 3-pin connector from the fan to the corresponding connectors from the receiver. Use the included plastic wire nuts to make the electrical connections. The green wire from the receiver, the green wire from the mounting bracket, and the green wire from the motor connect to the green or bare ground wire from the outlet box. The white AC-in-N wire from the receiver connects to the neutral wire in the box. The black AC-in-L wire from the receiver connects to the hot wire in the outlet box. You can use this wiring diagram for reference. Secure the plastic wire nuts with electrical tape. Spread the wire connections so the green wire and white wire connections are on one side and the black wire connection is on the other side. Carefully tuck the wires into the outlet box space above the receiver or evenly around the sides of the mounting plate. Remove one mounting plate screw and loosen the one next to it. Repeat for the 2 screws directly across. Lift the fan motor assembly and engage the keyholes with the 2 loosened mounting plate screws. Install the mounting plate screws previously removed and tighten all 4 mounting plate screws securely. Raise the decorative motor cover up against the fan motor assembly. The 4 supports inside the decorative motor cover should be placed against the 4 studs on top of the fan motor assembly. Twist the decorative motor cover clockwise until snug. Bring a fan blade to the fan motor assembly. Ensure the up stand is facing upward. Align the holes on the blade and the fan motor assembly, then secure in place with the blade support plate and screws. Repeat this process to attach the other blades. Remove one of the 3 decorative ring mounting screws from the decorative ring mounting plate. Loosen the other 2 screws. Place the keyholes in the decorative ring over the 2 screws previously loosened from the decorative ring mounting plate. Turn the decorative ring until it locks in place at the narrow section of the keyholes. Securely tighten the 2 decorative ring mounting screws previously loosened and the 1 previously removed. If you are installing the fan without the light, use the included decorative cap. Position the notches on the inner edge of the decorative cap so they match the tabs on the outside of the rim of the decorative cap mounting plate. Carefully lift the decorative cap inside the decorative cap mounting plate and secure it to the fan by turning the decorative cap clockwise until snug. You should not be able to twist the decorative cap any further by hand if properly tightened. If you ordered the fan with the optional light, use the LED light kit. Hold the LED light kit under the fan motor assembly and snap together the wire connection plugs. Position the notches on the inner edge of the LED light kit so they match the tabs on the outside rim of the decorative cap mounting plate. Carefully lift the LED light kit inside the decorative cap mounting plate and secure it to the fan by turning the LED light kit clockwise until snug. You should not be able to twist the LED light kit any further by hand if properly timed. Prepare the remote by pressing firmly and sliding off the battery cover. Install the 2 included AAA batteries and reinstall the battery cover. Power can now be restored at the circuit breaker and wall switch. The fan is now ready to be used with your remote control. If you are experiencing issues with your fan or would like to pair an additional remote, follow the learning process. Ensure AC power to the fan is off to begin the learning process. Slide the dip switch in the battery compartment to the 1 position. Turn the fan's AC power on. Within 1 minute of turning on AC power, press the Learn button in the battery compartment of the remote until the fan blades begin to spin. The fan will now accept commands from the added remote. Note that if you have multiple fans in range, you will need to keep AC power off to any fans that you do not wish to pair. If you accidentally pair a remote to the wrong fan, or if you wish to reset the fan's memory, simply repeat the learning process, but with the dip switch in the 0 position. An optional remote control holder is included for your convenience. Attach the remote control holder with the 2 remote control holder mounting screws. The numbered buttons allow you to activate the fan and set the fan speed, with 1 being the minimum speed and 6 being the maximum speed. The 0 button will turn the fan off. The reverse button toggles the rotation of the fan direction. For warm weather, the fan should be set to the counterclockwise direction to push cool air downward. For cool weather, the fan should be set to the clockwise direction to pull air upwards and move warm air off the ceiling. The timer buttons will automatically turn the fan off after 2 hours or 6 hours. This can be cancelled by pressing the 0 button. If the optional LED light kit is installed, you will also have access to the light controls on the remote. The light on-off button toggles the light on or off when pressed and released. Holding the light on-off button will activate the dimming function. Release the button to set the desired brightness. The light color temperature button cycles through the 5 color temperature options. Option 1, 2700 Kelvin, warm white. Option 2, 3000 Kelvin, soft white. Option 3, 3500 Kelvin, neutral white. Option 4, 4000 Kelvin, bright white. And Option 5, 5000 Kelvin, daylight. For additional support, please reach us anytime at support@arranmorelighting.com. From our family to yours, thank you for letting Arranmore be part of your home.